Welcome back to Chuck Chews. Today we're going to try Boston Market's chicken Parmesan. And since they put it on both sides of the box, I can read you what it says while pointing toward you. Lightly breaded all white meat chicken on a bed of fresh pasta in a rich marinara sauce. And there's the picture they give you. Same picture on this side. Actually, you get a little more on this side. And that's what you really get. Doesn't quite look the same. But let's give her a try here. Let's start with just a little bit of the pasta. Oh, I guess I need to read the stuff first here. To cook this, you remove the tray from the carton, cut film to vent, cook on high for 4 minutes. You take it out, stir, recover it, which was a disaster. The film ripped all to shreds. There was no way I was recovering it. And cook again on high for 3 to 3.5 minutes and let stand 1 to 2. You can also do this in the conventional oven, 350 degrees. Put it on a baking sheet, cut the vent, bake for 30 minutes, stir pasta, recover, and bake again for 15 more minutes. Stir and enjoy. It doesn't tell you to let it sit 1 minute when it comes out of the oven. Nutritional facts. Serving is 1 package. 480 calories from fat 130. Total fats 14 grams, cholesterol 30 milligrams, sodium 980 milligrams, total carbohydrate 66 grams, protein 21 grams. Boston Market's Abellioso Foods out of Duluth, Minnesota. I guess I can get up and let you see the ingredients list if you so wish. To want to pause and read all those, do it now. All right, we're done. Let's try this. Whoops, it unraveled on me. Like second time this week I've had spaghetti. Mm. Well, if that's a rich marinara sauce, I'd hate to see their idea of bland, because that was pretty bland. Let's spin it this way so I can get a cut of the chicken here. Yes. Did somebody call you? Did somebody out there call for her? She just got up and just walked over here like she'd been called for. Chicken's pretty thin. Breading's pretty thick. Trying to remember if I've had this before. I probably had this before. Chicken parm. Yeah, I probably had this before, but it's been so long I can't remember. Really? Now? Couldn't have waited like, couldn't have done that like 10 minutes ago. What that guy say in Hollywood? Don't work with animals or kids. Well, I don't have any kids. And I'm not really technically working with the dog. But she somehow thinks that now is the time to go out. The chicken had a little bit of a peppery taste to it. It's on the seasoning on the outside. That's not bad. The spaghetti blacks. Oh, I didn't pre-open this. Hold on. I don't know why those things have to break fingernails off. Then they won't close. Now let's see if the Parmesan cheese made it any better. No, not really. It's so bland that putting Parmesan cheese on it just makes it taste like Parmesan cheese. Mm, 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 mm. Well, the chicken's better than the spaghetti on this, and it's really nothing to write home about. It's thin. It's all the seasoning on it is really just pepper. That's all I'm getting out of it. She's over there protesting now. Um, but it's not a bad meal. It's just not a good meal. If it's the last thing in the freezer or the only thing on the freezer aisle, and you're hungry, I'd eat it. I had to get that pepper out of my mouth there. Um, if you've had the Boston Market chicken parm, let me know in the comments below. Did you like it? Not like it? And until the next video, I'm trying to stop. I won't eat any more of this. Oh, I guess I will.